there's a lighthouse.
There's the water. Okay, you see the water? It is green. Pea soup green. Then is this blue-green algae or something? I wonder. Okay. So, okay, now I'm going to explain to you what is blue-green algae. Like, how does blue-green algae form so big? Okay, say for instance you take blue-green algae, like it's a little dot, and you put it in a bucket, a pinprick, and you put it in a bucket. 24 hours you come back to the bucket, and it's the size of your pinky nail. Your pinky nail.
Grows very
now
fast.
that's how fast blue-green algae grows.
They must test, is this blue-green algae?
And
when are they going to test it?
When are they going to, what? Sorry.
When they must test this to find out what you're dealing with.
What they're dealing with, if it's blue-green algae or some other stuff. And I think
blue-green algae is very toxic. Yeah.
And remember when it was
the city when you came here, when you were busy with your Omega 11, on 11/11 you're busy to filter out the.
Filter everything.
What's your thing called that you filter in there in the lagoon?
11/11.
Yeah, what's it called? Omega system. 11/11. What does it filter out?
The blue-green algae, sewage water,
chemicals,
surface oils, everything like that. Microplastics, plastics.
Okay.
Styrofoams.
Yeah. Okay. Now what you're dealing now with the hyacinth? What do you see 2-3 weeks back? What was the hyacinth? The hyacinth was?
Green.
It was green. And then what is the hyacinth looking like now up the river?
Brown.
So that means when the city came here and treated this lagoon with algaecide, if it can kill, that algaecide can kill hyacinth, and hyacinth.
What other stuff is it killing?
Yeah. So there's all the subsurface grasses and flat grasses in subsurface aquatic vegetation here, right, is adding to the nutrients, right? So this is fueling this blue-green algae, and I believe this is blue-green algae, but you can only do it if you do a test, right? But if you look at this water, right, and you can see the color of the water, okay, and you go to Sikuflay, right, and if you go look at Milnerton and Sunflay, all those places where there's a high sewage, there's a sewage spill, right, blue-green algae blooms, right? And if blue-green algae can multiply, it's like a bacteria, a colony. So you take a pinprick, right, and you put it into a white bucket, right? You come back the next day, you come back that night, right? Not even that night, 12 hours. It's already the size is growing, right? The size of your nail. That's how fast that stuff multiplies. So what's happened now? They've opened up the sewer. Look at me. They've opened up the mouth of the river, right? Gigantic, massive, open, right? There's mega flow of and it just can't spread the springtime with the moon, right? The moon, right? New moon. So there's a lot of salt water coming inside here. Yet the water is pea soup green. It should have flushed it all out, right? So now that makes me believe, right? There's only one thing that I know that I've lived here in the Western Cape, right? Only one thing that I know that can multiply so fast, right, is blue-green algae. So they should test this, what this algae actually is. You know what I mean? I'm going to say, okay, cool, it's an algae bloom. If you look down there, when I walk down here, I see how green this water is. Come, we go walk down here, I'll show you. It's a bit windy. Look here now, the sun here. See how the sun's going to catch here on this little slipway? You see the green, it's almost neon green. With a little wavelets break. You see how green it is? You see how the sun a little bit on the side? Come this way, okay? See how green it is? You see how green it is? See the foam? This is way too much foam for salt water that the mouth is open to have this amount of foam on here, right? So this is not just sewage, this is not just like sewage, this is also high nutrients. So all this hyacinth here, see all this hyacinth up brown it is, right? And up here and up the river, it's all dying, right? So this is adding fuel to the green algae, right? It's a dominoes effect. There's all this stuff, right, that goes and settles on the bottom. So it causes that, you know, that we catch a prawns, that black mud, so that's very, very bad. You understand? So you get in a dominoes effect here. You understand? So now you get the hardest are going to die, they're going to sink to the bottom, the other fish are going to die, they're going to decompose. So they fuel this, right? So you started up a cycle. You understand? You have to understand what you're dealing with. You know what I mean? You can't just say, okay, this is an algae bloom. Okay, because if you want to protect the biodiversity of this ecosystem, then you've got to understand what you're dealing with, hey? So that's how you can come up with solutions.
Yep.
Cool. Okay, we're going to go see the lagoon now.
Yep.
The mouth. Okay. Hectic.